Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to delete column in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, select that column which you want to delete. So when you will click on head of column, so you can see whole column is selected. So after that, click the right side of mouse and you can see the options of delete. So when you will click on it, so your column will be deleted. So you can see the column is deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete any column in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.